After writing this, after writing the same, just you can save this as save as. Then give the name, any name that you like. Let's say ABC.
Okay,
Dot
sir.
extension is VBS. Extension is VBS. Then all files here. abc.vbs and save.
Sir, in all files, what we need to put the name? A,
Any
B,
name
C,
dot extension is VBS. After dot, it's VBS.
V, B, V, B, S. Okay,
VB
so then what?
abc.vbs, right?
Okay,
Then save it in the desktop. Save it in
desktop.
the desktop. Yeah, save it to
Okay,
desktop.
sir.
Right, then you will get this one. Right? This S letter.
Yes, sir.
You double click in that. Double
Okay,
click.
sir. Sir, then it's coming. You got a virus.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Hmm.
Right.
What is the
Yeah.
name?
Which one, Puta?
In save
File save. You can save any name. You can give any name. Then
Sir,
Sir, is there have a virus?
no.
sir.
Then go to all files, right? Then save this as abc dot extension is VBS. VBS. Visual Basic Strips. This is programming actually. Visual Basic Strips. VBS. Then save it. Right? That is not a virus. That is your program. It has displayed a message, right? That's all. This is a message box, right? This is how you get a message box. Or you can type anything here, like you can type
Sir, I like to eat mango.
yeah, anything. You can type like this one. Right? And save it and then open, you can say so whatever the message, it will be saved as a likewise. You can type anything, right? Anything you like. Or you can type like this. You can add many messages as well. Anything you like. Then let's say good evening. Then copy this, paste this. Bye.
message box කියලා ලියන්න ගහන්න ඕනද?
ඔව් ලියන්න ඕන පුතේ. මේක මේ අමතර දෙයක් මම නිකන් වැඩිපුර කියලා දුන්නේ. Just no need to do this now. If you like, just try. Then it will display 1, 2, 3 messages. Right?
Sir, see that when we click that, in that like zoom even in the bottom, sir, see that in the Windows key even there, the search bar even there. See when you click that ABC, sir.
Yeah.
Double click. See, will you different shape is coming.
This one, yeah, this one. That is
Yes.
VB, Visual Basic Script.
Uh-uh.
That's what you are coming. It's there. Right, okay. So anyway, now you see how to instruct computer to tell something, no? Programming is not difficult. We learn later, right? This is how you instruct computer to tell something to you. Right, anyway, that is also a different file, right? So don't think much about that. That is extra. In the exam, you won't get that question. Others, don't be afraid. Hari අනිත් අය බය වෙයි දන්නේ නැහැ දැන් කියලා දීලා. වැඩිපුර කියලා දෙන්නත් බයයි. හරි. අපි යමු දැන් ආපහු පාඩමට. So let's go back to the lesson. We did something extra, that is maybe don't fool your mother or father saying you got a virus, right? Now you are doing something like this. No, I'm not sure about you guys, right? You might tell that we got a virus in here. So likewise, okay. So then let's see how to control the window. So let's go to this one. Open a window. First open a window like this. Or press Windows E. Windows button E key. Open a window.
Okay.
right? All of you try to do this, right? Open a window. Then press Alt key and space.
Sir, can you tell it again from the beginning? I didn't hear that.
Windows key and E. Press Windows key and E letter.
Okay, sir.
You will get this one. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes.
Like this PC.
Yeah, something like this. This video. Anything. Windows key E. Then press these two keys.
But, sir,
Then press these two keys. Alt and space.
Space.
Alt and space.
This one.
Alt
Alt space.
and
Okay, sir.
Alt and space. Then,
sir, anything is
right? When you press Alt or space, you will get this kind of menu. You will get this kind of menu. When you press Alt or space, you will get this kind of menu. Then press any key that you like, maybe M or S. So let's press M key. After that, press M key. Alt or space, then M key. M akura. ඊට පස්සේ then you can use the keyboard and move the window like this. You can move it rightwards, move it bottom, move
yes,
it
sir.
up, move it left, right.
Okay. Now you. What can we stop?
To stop, press enter. To stop, press enter. Enter key.
In
Yeah, otherwise it start moving with the mouse. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All are doing
Yes,
this or some missed? Or all are doing? හැමෝම කරනව නේද?
Yes, sir.
If you missed, please ask, right? This is related to the lesson. දැන් කලින් නම් මම කිව්වේ extra එකක්. ඒක ඕනේ නැහැ කරන්න. මේක කරන්න ඕන. Alt space, then you will get this menu.
Can you explain again?
Sure. Alt and space. Have you opened the window? First of all, have you opened the window? Yeah. Then Alt space.
Yes.
Alt space. Alt and space.
Right or left?
You can press any. Alt space.
Alt space.
You got this menu. Then this menu will appear.
I can't see the this one.
Can you see?
Sir, something
Yes.
happened to my
Nothing file export.
automatically log out.
Yes.
Right? Alt space.
Right.
You will get this menu. Right? Then press M key. M letter M. Don't touch the key mouse. Huh? Don't touch the mouse. Press M letter M. Press letter M. Don't touch the mouse. Just press letter M. Then what's happening? M akro banna. Alt space, then M.
Karas.
Then arrows. Arrow keys. Itala. Then just press arrow keys. Are you pressing the arrow keys?
Yes.
It is moving the window, no? Harid, is it working for you?
Hari sir.
Ah.
sir.
To stop that, press enter. To stop that, press enter. Right, again, after that, again press Alt space. Then press S key. The second time, press S key and then the arrows. What will happen? S key and then the arrows.
It's making large.
Not only large. Press different arrows.
Sir.
Yes. Yes. Anybody got an issue?
So I got to issue what we need to click.
Alt and space, then click
Alt and
on
space.
S key. S key. Alt space S key. Alt space S key. Okay. Then the arrows. Alt space S key.
Yes,
And
sir.
then arrows. Then arrows. Alt
Okay, sir.
space එකයි ඊට පස්සේ S අකුරයි ඊට පස්සේ arrow keys වලින් බලන්න. Can you see? It's resizing your window.
Oh.
Right? Resizing.
Yes, sir.
Resizing the window. You can press different arrows, and now you know how to control that using your keyboard. You can reduce the size like this. Okay, now it's very small. Okay, let's write down these things, right? Let's write down these things quickly in our book. Okay, so please write down the first one, the Windows E key. That will open the Explorer window. And we wrote this one. The first one.
Sir, I can't see now.
Now you can see it, no?
Now can, sir.
Right. Windows D to minimize all and see desktop. And again pressing it will display the windows. Alt space M and arrow key. Alt space, then M and then the arrow keys. Move the window. Alt space S, then arrow keys. Scale the window. Alt space N, minimize. Alt space X, maximize. Alt space C, close the window. Alt F4 will also close the window. And
Sir, can you keep that for a few minutes? I am still in that Alt space N1.
all right. I'll keep, right? Shift between, please try this, shift this in between windows. So today after the lesson, what you have to do, you have to practice these shortcuts very well. Alt space N, Alt space. So let me show these things quickly, right? While you writing down, let me show this quickly, one by one, right? So this one, if you press here, if you press Alt space N, it will minimize, right? If you press Alt tab, you can see it shift between windows. Alt tab, change in the window. And if you press Alt space X, it will maximize the large. Alt space C, it will close. Not only that, if you press Alt plus F4 තියන මේ උඩ තියෙන එක. උඩ තියෙන function key F4. If you press Alt F4, that will also close the window. Right. Alt F4, that's similar to this one. It will close the window. Okay, those are the things that you should know. Please write down now.